I got all the parts for the floodlight. I'm going to use a metal connection box, and I got these arms with the new sockets from Amazon, and I think they were like $7.50 a piece. So I need 2 of those, and I got some connection box nuts that have a seal on the inside, so that should keep water out, or help keep water out. So we'll just put it together and mount it on this board, and then pretty soon, when there's some better weather out, we'll put it up on the tree. And I have the gasket that goes on the cover, and I'll probably use wire nuts, although these are stranded wires and my feeder is solid copper wire. I don't like using wire nuts with solid copper, but well, it's been used in houses for decades, so I guess it's okay, just as long as it's not a vibration situation. You know, you want to use wire nuts when there's no vibration, it's static, no movement. You don't want to use wire nuts on automotive or boats or anything that has a vibration. Anyway, let's get to it. That's a little bit too much. All right, what do we got here? Yeah, that'll work. Phillips head driver. I might do it. Yeah. There. And I got one of these watertight connectors for like Romax and NMB cable. I use number 14 NMB. It has a oblong gland that compresses and seals the cable. I'll put that in. That's the only thing I got here. And take this one out. There is a ground connection here on these arms, but since the box is going to be metal and the arms are metal, I'll just attach the feeder ground to the box itself, and there is a place for it right here. Otherwise, if it was a plastic box, then you'd want to run ground wires from these connectors and attach them to the feeder ground. I'll have to adjust these once it's up on the tree. So one light is gonna shine down on the parking lot and one light's gonna shine on the steps by the porch. Alright, there's those. So you just hook up white to white, black to black, and when the power feeder comes in, it'll also have white and black. White's neutral, black is power, and I'll be using yellow wire nuts. Oh, they're all in the way of the bottom, of course. Well, I'm going to hook up the floodlight box today, but I need a little bit more conductor here on this cable before I do that. And I'm using NMB underground outdoor wire, and it's real hard to strip. It's not like Romex. Romex is pretty easy. This stuff's not. Especially, it's kind of chilly out today. It's about 40 degrees, so it doesn't make this covering real easy to work with. Got to be careful not to cut the conductor, non-conductor, or the is a little bit too big for the wire. To put another layer on this wire, and I've got some rubber here. Rubber sheet that you use for patching roofs if you have a leak. Metal roofs. Has a adhesive on the back, really nice adhesive. always the nut goes on first. How many times have I put packing on and then have to take it off and put the nut back on? Hunter's barking. She's inside. I can't work and watch her too. Alright, this goes in here.